Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can reset your location in WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So, let us get down to our topic. And first, I recommend that you make sure you have your location connected to the WhatsApp app. For you to go to your phone settings, then scroll to the bottom and find the WhatsApp app. Go to it. Here you will see an item called Location or Location and tap on it. Here, if you have the first line on Never, it will mean that you don't have your geolocation connected to WhatsApp. And I recommend you to toggle either always show your location in WhatsApp app or only when you are in the app. And so after you do that, switch to WhatsApp. Next, go to the group or chat in which you want to share your location. After that, in the bottom left corner, click on the plus sign near the message bar. And next, select Geolocation. Now you will be taken to your geolocation. If it takes a while to load your geolocation or the bottom menu, it can take up to half a minute. Don't worry, it just means that everything needs to load. Sometimes there are small glitches with it. When everything loads, you'll need to click right here, Share My Location. So as you can see, you instantly share your location in a group or in a correspondence with a person on WhatsApp. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can reset your location in WhatsApp. Please, friends, make sure to write your comments, put likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.